Hey, you welcome back to my channel. J Invest here. So in this video I'm just going to talk about how my deal fell through with my first rental property. Don't mind the noise, this man over here eating, but I can see him. Yeah, so I just wanted to talk to you guys about the property that I did an inspection of. You know how happy I was. I finally got to the inspection part. I've been looking at this property for over 2 months now. So 6 days ago I finally got the appraisal. So yeah, we're gonna talk about that in this video. So please like, comment, subscribe to this video. Please speak to me. I always like to see you guys comments. So yeah, let's talk about it. I just want to say that we are social distancing, so I got my mask on. I hope everyone is doing well, everyone is safe. Like I said, we're gonna get through this. So I just hope all you guys are doing well. So basically what happened with the property, I had to do a re-inspection because they had to fix certain things in there, and they had to do the termite. They had to fix the electrical box wiring, and so we had to do a re-inspection. So the realtor seller, I've been telling you guys that he's been taking real long to complete certain things that we wanted to get fixed. So we had to get a re-inspection with the appraisal and the inspector there at the same time, because he said the tenants was giving him a hard time as far as seeing the property or coming into the property. Then they finally went there like 6 days ago. So 6 days ago I spoke to my realtor. He was like, the appraiser was there, and he was giving him a hard time because he basically felt like the appraiser was a rookie, because certain things he didn't let slide, because you know when you're doing the FHA, they worry about the loan that they're giving you, so they have to do the appraisal and check to see if it would meet their guidelines as far as me moving in there, because I have to live in there also, and they the one that's providing me with the loan. So basically he was checking everything. He was like, there's cracks in the foundation, and throughout the whole time my realtor keep saying that he was saying himself that he's not an inspector, but he was inspecting everything like harshly. Because like I said, the inspector already went there, everything was fine. The only thing that needed to be fixed was like the termite and the box fuse for the electrical. So he said basically now we just have to wait for the appraisal. So we waited for the appraisal. Then finally the next day my broker called, and he was like, I have some good news and I have some bad news. So the appraisal came through. We're not going to move along with it. As soon as I heard those words, it's like I was walking down the street and somebody just punched me in my stomach. Like I felt like all the air leaving my body. I was like, man, come on, because I was looking at this for so long. I thought I was gonna close. The closing date was supposed to be on the 23rd of April, but at the same time, it is a good thing because it is my first property, so I'm not really trying to get a project, because as far as the capital is not really there to get a project. So later on down the line, when I get more properties, I will look into like getting like projects with deals and stuff like that. So right now I'm just looking to get a deal in a property that's in a decent neighborhood, you know. So at the same time, that's like the silver lining into this. But I did feel sad when I heard that news, because I thought I was closing soon. Like this took so long. It took so long that I couldn't believe it. I was like, man. But also I was like, me and my realtor was talking about it. It was like maybe they should change like the FHA, how we do certain things. They should do the appraisal first. But at the same time, that's not possible. So they should do the appraisal first before the inspection, because everything really relied on the appraisal. So now I was like, man, what do I do next? Because you know, everyone is social distancing at this time. Is going to be hard to look at a property, to get into a property and look at a property. So I'm like, man, what do I do? Like I really felt down a little bit, but I was like, man, I got to keep going. This is a silver lining into this. I know God got me. So it's just a minor setback for a major comeback. That you guys know that saying. So right now I'm going to look at a couple of properties my realtor sent me. I'm just gonna drive by. I'm not gonna go inside. So I'm taking you guys along with me on the ride. I'm looking for like a deal with a property with a nice cap rate. I'll put the definition down below for you guys, or I put it on the screen somewhere. So yeah, come along with me so we can go look at a couple of properties. I really appreciate you guys. I thank you guys. So stay tuned. We are at our first one. This one is going for $524. It's a fourplex. The cap rate is 6.5, and right now I'm just driving around the neighborhood. It's not bad at all. It's right there. It's not bad at all. Yeah, so it's really not bad at all. Like I said, this neighborhood is a real nice neighborhood. It has a lot of multi-families in here. So yeah, I like this neighborhood. It's not bad at all. So I'll put the information on the screen for you guys for this property, but it's not bad at all. Like I said, I can't go inside right now. I'm just looking by, looking at the neighborhood and looking at the property due to this whole pandemic. So stay tuned. We're gonna go look at the other property. So we at our second property. This one is going for $540. It's a triplex. The year. I'll put the information down below. It's neighborhood real. It's a real nice neighborhood, you know. This property right there. Let me turn around. It's right there. It's a nice neighborhood also. I like this neighborhood. But this property is a triplex though, so it's like $540,000. So I don't really know about this one, but you never know. The realtor is the owner of this property. I don't know, I'll probably go inside if I speak to him. I'll probably go in if I speak to him. Let me see something. Alright, so we at the third one, and this one it goes for $459. It's a triplex. It was built in 1972. So this one it looks like it was renovated, so that's a positive. As far as the neighborhood is decent. From what I'm seeing, the neighborhood is decent. Also, like I said, you guys can look at the information that I'm putting on the screen for you guys. This one is good. The comp rate, it didn't mention what the comp rate is, but the rents are pretty good on this one. So this one might be another possibility. It looked like it was renovated recently, so that's a positivity. So yeah, as far as the neighborhood, it's a decent neighborhood. So you never know, it is available. It does. It looks newer out of all the other ones that's around here, from what I'm seeing. So we're in our last one of the day. This one it goes for $499, $500. It's a fourplex. It's a 1-1. It's 4-1-1s, and it doesn't look real bad. I like this I don't like this neighborhood like that, but it's a decent neighborhood. Just property looks like it's in good shape. Like I said, we can't go inside right now due to this whole pandemic, but my realtor is gonna try to see if he can do we can do like a virtual thing, so we can look inside of these properties. So right now, just my goal of today was basically just to go to these properties, look around the neighborhood, look on the outside of these properties, like as far as the shape, and just basically to see if that's somewhere that I would want to move in, and the numbers have to make sense also. This property is also the cap rate is 6%, so it's not major, but it's decent. So yeah, so I appreciate you guys for coming along in this journey with me. Um, just gotta start back over. As far as me not getting the property, the previous property that I did an inspection on, the only thing that really wasted was time. But as far in return, I did get experience from it. So there, like I keep saying, there's a silver lining into it, to this. I know God have a bigger plan. So yeah, until next time, peace be with you guys. Stay safe so we can get through this. I appreciate you guys.